as organizations look to build, deploy, and manage more applications to meet their customer needs. The cloud and AI are becoming key enablers of success. In 2023, businesses have developed a huge appetite for generative AI, with some organizations seeing it as a core differentiator for their business processes. According to a report by Gartner, worldwide IT spending is projected to reach $5.1 trillion in 2024, an 8% increase from 2023. Specifically, the software and IT services segments will both see double-digit growth in 2024, largely driven by cloud spending. Investment in AI will also be a key focus for most companies in 2024. For Nutanix, investments in the hybrid multi-cloud and AI will most likely be beneficial. Aaron White, VP and GM of Sales at Nutanix Abch, said that the big opportunity in AI right now was helping all enterprises take advantage of the huge opportunity it presents, not just a few organizations training huge models like ChatGPT. It's all about apps and data, including modern applications. The reality is that companies are running applications and data everywhere. Most companies today are using multiple clouds, both public and private. They want this flexibility and choice since some applications and workloads are better suited for the private cloud, and some are better suited for public. Companies want one platform to run all their apps and data across multiple clouds, public and private. We have the best solution, claimed White. At the same time, White also believes that 2024 could be an interesting year for Nutanix. Given the recent acquisition of VMware by Broadcom, there have been reports of customers not being happy with their new options with VMware. In a report by Forbes, it was predicted that the transition could affect VMware's customer relationships, as customers may push back against a shift to subscriptions, which are generally perceived as more expensive than perpetual licenses. Also, while much of Nutanix growth was driven by its own strategic initiatives, CEO Rajiv Ramaswamy acknowledged that the company did close some additional deals explicitly because of uncertainty about how the acquisition will unfold. VMware has historically been an innovative tech leader, but this acquisition will likely change the relationship that customers have with the company going forward. If you look at its history, Broadcom's whole business model has been to maximize acquired assets in 2 to 3 years. We're hearing concerns over these potential changes, and we're the best option for customers looking to reduce their dependence on VMware, commented White. Deluge of technologies, cloud and AI. White added that the last 12 months had brought about an unprecedented surge of technology and innovation. The importance of the cloud and the growing preference for a hybrid infrastructure was reinforced as a business imperative. The digital-first world we live in today is enabled largely by the cloud. To deliver data and insights even faster, the edge has also emerged as a key differentiator for organizations. However, the hottest commodity was AI. Overnight, it dominated conversations. Most organizations hopped on the AI train, to different extents, with immediacy and a suitcase of uncertainty, explained White. However, White said that amid the deluge of new technologies emerging at breakneck speeds, and a sense of urgency to adopt these innovations, business decision makers are starting to find themselves overwhelmed with new solutions. It increasingly feels like technology is happening to people rather than for them. While AI will continue to dominate conversations, organizations need to take a quick step back and put in place a strong cloud strategy that will pave the way for their journey. It will be crucial to understand their technology stack, focus efforts on rebuilding customer trust, and cultivate the skills that will allow workers to keep up with the demands of an ever-evolving digital landscape, added White. Hybrid multi-cloud will become the default choice for enterprises. As mentioned earlier, investments in cloud services across all sectors and regions will grow in 2024. Gartner predicts that by 2025, 75% of enterprise data will be created and processed outside the traditional data center or cloud, up from a mere 10% in 2018. Despite this surge, not every workload seamlessly aligns with the public cloud. And many enterprises grapple with legacy applications and data entrenched in on-premises or private cloud environments. Therefore, White believes that hybrid multi-cloud solutions that offer the best of both worlds will become the default choice for enterprises that want to balance performance, security, compliance, and cost. According to the Nutanix 2023 SI report, 86% of IT decision makers in ABG expect hybrid cloud to positively impact their businesses in 2024. On top, with the speed of innovation, it might be difficult to predict what skills will be needed over the next few years. But one thing is certain, we'll need to start building education into our workflows to upskill and reskill the current workforce to keep pace with evolving business requirements. Academic programs also need to evolve and ensure that students are being equipped with the right knowledge and skill sets for entering the workforce, said White. While training should be a fundamental tool and requirement, White pointed out there is also a need for organizations to place more emphasis on skills in addition to university degrees to fully unlock the potential of its future technology workforce. For example, in Singapore, more than 100 companies have pledged to hire tech workers using a skills-based approach, supported by a new handbook helping employers in recruiting skilled staff for tech roles. This initiative lets organizations use skills and talents sitting in plain sight and meet the increasing demand for tech professionals. AI in cloud tech is the development of the year, but without skilled people in tech roles, it's just an expensive box. We are standing at the precipice of this transformative year, a journey toward resilience, innovation, and sustainability. As organizations take stock of the last 12 months and the tech odyssey that we've all been on, it is time now to take full advantage of the innovation. Having the right technology partner, skills, and talent will be crucial as we take off to new technological heights, White concluded.